Delicioso. Alright, I know I was gonna put out a video today, but my shipment didn't come. That's what she said. I'm so sad. No, but if it's not here today, then it's gonna be like here early in the morning tomorrow. We'll have it set up, and I'll have a couple videos out tomorrow. Like, probably like a bajillion. Hang on. Well, I know you guys miss me a lot. I miss you too. But you can't be overly attached with me. Alright? I'm taking a drink. Alright, come on. Load level. Load level. Alright, there we go. Alright. Play count. We're gonna play Lawnmower Madness. Blend the bodies or crush their heads. Have fun, XD. Please rate XD. Please try my other levels, TT. TT. Haha. Alright, play now. Alright. Be ready. Oh. Yeah, aw. Fat black guy die. Lawnmower Madness. Come on, Santa.
Oh, God.
There we go. Oh, sorry. Oh, hang on. Back up. Yeah. Forgot about you guys. I'm so evil. Ducka. Oh! Whoa! That was cool. Let's do that again now. Alright. Skate. No. I gotta remember which ones I played. I'm gonna play Daredevil. Let's do this. Dun dun. That's probably the worst level I've ever done. Hang on, let's do that. Let's do that again. It's Brock. She went to Home Depot. I died. Dang it. Okay. I made it, but I only got 5. Alright, we're gonna get all these coins. All of them. Only 9? Alright, I can't sit here and do this all day. Alright. Glass. No, Matrix. Never played one of these. What do I do? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Oh, my bad. Oh! That didn't end well. Hup. My anus. Dang it. Alright, let's do this correctly. Balls. Come on. Can't get me. I'm too sexy. Never mind. That one can get me because that one is sexy too. Alright. Oh, dang it. Oh no! Alright. Let's go back. Ah! Ah, dang it. Okay. Obviously, I'm not Neo, but I don't come pretty close. Alright, hang on 1 second. It's really hot in my house today. I don't have the air on, and it's like 90 degrees out. And I'm hungry, and I'm thirsty, and I'm hot, and I'm sweaty. Also, I'm kind of glad, though. Oh, wait, I'm dead. I forgot about that. Alright, we're not going to do that one. Ball / sword throw. Second level, please rate fairly. Haters and suck-ups don't help anybody. Alright. Dang it. Huh. 2 soccer balls. Oh, wow. Huh. What'd I kill? I don't want that fat lady to kill me with that sword. Dang it. Dang it. Balls. Oh, I could have grabbed that. Hang on. Let's see if I can do that again. Ah.
Damn it.
Alright. No. Eh? There we go. Okay. Oh, that works too. That was kind of a fail death, but hey. Hey. 2 points for trying. That's all I gotta say about that. Oh no! Oh, dang it. Okay. One more time. One more time. Okay. One more. Oh, you evil person.
Damn it.
Okay. No! One more ball. And I get death! Okay. Alright. Alright. Get out!
Damn it.
Yeah. Snibbly snap. Snip snap blap. Beep. Boop. Oh. Give me the sword. Ha! Balls. That's what I'm playing with right now. Monkey nuts. I win. I lose. Baby, baby, baby. Ah, it didn't work. Alright. Baby, baby, baby. Death! Ah, balls. Get my arm out of there. Oh, does that mean we have to start all over again? Dang it. I don't want to win. I just want my baby back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Balls. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Sucker balls. Baby. Baby back ribs. I meant to do that. And if you disagree with me, then... Oh! I'm still alive! I'm still alive! Alright. I'm just gonna start throwing randomly. Suck. Chili baby back ribs. Still alive, sucker. Never mind. What? I don't get those. Oh. Oh. Chicaba. Yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna win this one. Alright. What? Oh. Saw trap too. Man, I'm burping a lot. That scared the poop out of me. Boy or girl? Say boy. No. I'm a winner. Da da da. Da da da. Lift. Oh no. Dang it. Alright. Let's do this again. I think girl was the correct way. So boy sucks. Impressive final level. We're gonna go right. Do you guys agree? Let's go right. Ah. That obviously didn't lead to a win. I'm not even like I'm not even like choosing. I'm just doing what I did before, but like trial and error style. Trial and God dang it! I deheaded myself. Oh, now the ball's gonna smush my body. If you guys get the chance, buy Dr. Pepper 10. It's delicious. I thought it was gonna taste like crap, but it's actually quite delicious. I wonder if I could save both. Oh, that was a close one. Right. Great. Oh. Boop, ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. What does that say? Which of these 3 tunnels? Well, it's not the first one, I'll tell you that much. Let's try this one. Maybe it is this one. Yes? Nope. Alright, so it's the middle one. Let's just go through this again. Who will you say? Let's say that guy. Pick a route. Save girl here. Or boy or girl. Save girl. Sorry, Justin Bieber. Again? I Ha! I choose cheat. Actually kind of worked. Huh. I win. I'm a cheater, but I win. Get my thigh out of there. God. I just have to go straight the hole. Oh, can't get me now, deheader. It's just a name now. Right? No! Oh, nuts souls. Alright, so we all know which one is the level thingy. So we're not gonna finish because I obviously can't. Clones! With 2.5 stars. Clones! Da 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 da. Oh, you need to go this. Wait, you need to know what is going on. Go this way. I will. You know what? I will, and I'm proud. I'm proud. And will you go forward? Hi guys. This you douche. That guy is not nice. I'm really hungry, so I'm eating a sandwich. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm eating fudge rounds, which are also delicious. My first bottle run, rate 5. Alright, listen up, you little bastard. We're going forward! Da-da-da! So close! Alright. There's a piece of fudge on my finger. So close. Let's do this again. Alright. Correctly, this time. You got pointy-eared little buttholes. Ah! Go up. It's alright. We can make it. We cannot make it. Because my jingle jingle doesn't go very far. We just need some more Christmas spirit. That's my new song. It's gonna be on iTunes soon. Not really. Don't look on iTunes for my Oh. It's alright! Alright, we're gonna try this for real. Let's change the character. Let's do this! Let's do it. Alright. What's up? No. I know, darn. It's my mother. Say hello, mother.
Hello.
Da 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 da! No! Okay. Okay, this time. This time, we can make it. Ah, balls and nubbugles. Nubbugles? Oh, I was so close last time. My first bottle run. Did you have to make it so long? Seriously? Da 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 da. I did better with Santa Claus. Da 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 da. Dang it! Okay. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Dang it! Da 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 da. Oh, oh! Thank God! All right, I'm gonna have to end it here. I really do apologize. I didn't look to see what you guys were gonna say. So next time, if you guys leave a comment, I'll read it off. Actually, I'll read 2 next time I make a video. All right, thank you. Bye.